Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Indestructible Trend Winner Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the input settings, feel free to modify these values according to your taste. All right, and then of course, if you want alert or if you want email and all of that fractals, you can actually set these true or false. Okay, you can see that right now. This is how the indicator looks like, a pretty straightforward indicator. It has an indicator line and it also uses dots, all right, a combination of a line and dots. So what does this line do? It helps us to identify the prevailing trend in the market. When the color of the line is red and you have your candlesticks below it, it shows a bearish trend. All right, you want to sell within that trend. Okay, and then when the line changes color to green and you have your candlesticks above it, it shows a buy trend and you want to buy within that trend. Okay, now you will also notice that these dots help to identify the top and bottom of your candlesticks. Okay, you can see they only appear around the top and the bottom of your candlesticks. Okay, so if you are using a strategy that relies on tops and bottoms of candlesticks, you want to watch out for the appearance of these dots. For example, if you have a crossover of price below this candlestick, or rather a crossover of price below the trend line, I mean the indicator line, sorry. If you have price drop below the indicator line and you have the appearance of the green dot above your candlestick, it could be a confirmation that price might actually continue, in that downward direction. And then if you have the green dot appear below the candlestick, it could be that a pullback is about to happen, just like what we can see happen here, and just like we can see happen here again, and you can see happen here, right? In this case, it was even looking like a reversal, all right? And then when you have the yellow line appear, it's a state of indecision, right? It's in between the green and the red. All right. So the yellow line could just show that there is a little bit of indecision or perhaps a consolidation phase, right? Before the bears take control or before the bulls take control. So it's like a middle phase between the bulls and the bears, right? So you want to sell when the line is red and price is trading below it, and you want to buy when the line is green and price is trading above it. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.